Hello, I have an idea. Today the price of fuel is a big problem. So imagine you are driving car and accidentally you are out of fuel. But don't worry, because this game shows on your screen, like when you lost internet connection on Google Chrome. So you don't need to worry about fuel because you are busy playing this game. Yes, I have great sense of humor. Just kidding. I have these two sketches, so I wanted to share them with you. So this is fuel gauge I made yesterday. If this can be useful to you, feel free to use my code. You can find code in the description. Please don't ask me how to get fuel data from a car, because I really don't know. If you know, please share that information with the rest of us in comments. And if you are first time here, hit that subscribe button. And this is old sketch I made for TFT Display, but it looks much better on this round display. Game is made to be played with push button, but it can be played with potentiometer also, because why not? Code is also in description. I already made few videos with this display, so feel free to check them on my channel. I also made tutorial how to use this round display with potentiometer is maybe not a good idea. With ESP32 board. Right now I'm using these sockets to avoid using breadboard, but the pins are the same, like on my last videos. Links are in the description, so feel free to check them. And that's it. This is short video, but I hope you will find it useful. Have a nice day, subscribe, and feel free to buy me a coffee. Thank you and bye.